If you're seeing a GoDaddy Error 522, don't panic. This usually means Cloudflare can reach your DNS, but it cannot complete the connection to your GoDaddy origin server. In simple terms, the website address is known, but the server itself is not responding fast enough, is offline, or is being blocked by a firewall. In this video, I'll walk you through the most important fixes step by step, so you can get your site loading again as quickly as possible. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy website troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what Error 522 actually means. Cloudflare is acting as a proxy between your visitors and your GoDaddy hosted website. When someone opens your site, Cloudflare tries to connect to your origin server. If that server does not respond within the expected time, Cloudflare shows Error 522. This can happen if the origin server is down, overloaded, misconfigured, or blocked by security rules. It can also happen if the DNS record is pointing to the wrong IP address. So the goal is to find out whether the issue is DNS, server availability, or firewall restrictions. Step 1 is to verify your DNS configuration inside Cloudflare. Log into your Cloudflare dashboard and open the DNS section for your domain. Find the A or A records connected to your GoDaddy host. Make sure the IP address matches the correct origin server IP that GoDaddy gave you. If even one digit is wrong, Cloudflare will try to connect to the wrong place, and the request will fail. If your host recently changed servers, it is very possible the DNS record needs to be updated. While you're there, check whether the record is using the correct proxy status and that the record is not accidentally misconfigured. If you are not sure what IP address to use, check your GoDaddy hosting details or contact GoDaddy support and ask for the current origin IP. This is especially important if your website was migrated, recently restored, or moved between hosting environments. A wrong origin IP is one of the most common causes of this problem and can be fixed in just a few minutes once you confirm the correct value. Next, confirm that the origin server is actually online and responding. You can do this with simple network checks like ping, curl, or telnet from a separate machine or third-party server. For example, you can run a curl command to test the site directly against the origin IP. If the server does not respond on port 80 for HTTP or port 443 for HTTPS, then the issue is likely on the hosting side, not Cloudflare. If the server responds slowly, that can also trigger Error 522 because Cloudflare has a timeout window of about 15 seconds. If you're comfortable with command line testing, try a request like curl-i followed by your origin IP or domain. You're looking for a response that confirms the server is alive. If you get a timeout, connection refused, or no response at all, then the origin server may be down or overloaded. In that case, check your GoDaddy hosting panel for server status, resource usage, or recent outages. Sometimes a temporary spike in traffic, a broken plugin, or a server-side error can slow the origin enough to cause Cloudflare to time out. Now let's check the firewall or security layer, because this is another major reason Error 522 appears. Ask GoDaddy support to verify whether any server-side firewall, security plugin, CSF, fail-to-ban, mod security, or similar protection is blocking Cloudflare IP ranges. Cloudflare uses a large set of IP addresses, and if your hosting firewall does not allow those IPs, the connection can fail before the website even loads. This is very common when security settings are too strict or after a hosting configuration change. If you have access to the firewall rules yourself, review the Allowlist and make sure Cloudflare IP ranges are parented. If you do not manage the firewall directly, GoDaddy support can usually confirm whether the server is dropping traffic from Cloudflare. When asking for help, be specific and mention that you are troubleshooting Cloudflare Error 522 and need confirmation that Cloudflare IPs are not blocked at the server level. Another important thing to check is whether the server is listening on the correct port. Your website should usually respond on port 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS. If the server is listening on a different port or if those ports are closed, Cloudflare will not be able to establish the TCP connection. This is something that can happen after a server change, SSL update, or firewall rule adjustment. So if DNS is correct and the server is online but the error continues, port access is the next place to inspect. You should also think about server load. If the origin server is overloaded, slow database queries or heavy plugins can make it respond too slowly. Cloudflare's timeout is limited, so even if the site is technically up, it can still show a 522 error if the server is under stress. In that case, you may need to reduce load, disable a problematic plugin, optimize the site, or upgrade hosting resources. After you make any changes, test the website again in an incognito window or from another network to confirm the fix. If the site loads normally, the error was likely DNS, firewall, or server availability related. If the issue still appears, go back through each step carefully and verify the origin IP, server response, and firewall allow list one more time. To quickly recap, a GoDaddy Error 522 usually comes down to one of four things. The origin server is offline or overloaded, the DNS is pointing to the wrong IP, the firewall is blocking Cloudflare, or the server is not responding quickly enough. By checking DNS, testing server availability, and confirming Cloudflare is allowed through the firewall, you can usually solve the problem without guesswork. If this tutorial helped you fix your website, please like the video and subscribe for more practical hosting and WordPress troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.